2, 1, and it's recording. Hola,
Okay.
Conquistadoras.
Hi. Hola.
¿Cómo estás?
Hola. Muy bien.
Oh, wow.
Excelente.
You speak Spanish. That's cool.
Yes. If you want to learn to speak Spanish, I can help you with that.
I already tried, but I gave up.
Oh, no.
I was actually making progress, but you know what? There are many other things I could be doing. So,
Okay. Well, if you change your mind and want to learn again, I can help you.
for free.
Yes.
You know, you can make money from that, you know.
What?
You can make money teaching languages.
Yes. I'm pretty sure I can make money, but you're my friend, so free for you.
No, not me. I think there's some websites that allow you offer your services as a language teacher, something like that.
Well, if they want, they can contact me.
No. You need to make your services available. Nobody will look for you. You have to
Okay.
be in a place where they can find you.
Okay. Uh,
Right.
well, now I'm talking with you.
Have you opened eToro?
Yes.
Right. Share your screen.
Mm,
If you look down, you see share screen. There's a green icon.
let me
Can you see it?
share.
Oh, it should be.
Oh, yeah, yes.
Okay.
I saw it. I don't know if I am sharing my screen right now.
Hold on. Let me see if the. Okay, hold on. Let me set it so that you can share. Yeah, you should be able to share. Just click on it, see what happens.
Okay. I can see if I am sharing. How can I see if I am sharing? No?
If
You
you're
only can.
sharing, then I should be able to see it.
Okay, but I cannot now if I am sharing.
No, you're not. Hold on. Let me show
Okay.
you what it looks like. This is what it looks like when you share your screen. Can you see my screen now?
Oh, yes.
Exactly. So when you click share, it will bring up a window. And then from that window, you will select the desktop or the application or the tab you want to share. So
Okay.
I'm going to stop sharing. Now, if you click share screen, it should show you.
Share screen, and I can choose what I want to share.
Did it bring up a window? Oh, brilliant. Now you're sharing your screen.
Okay.
That's it. Whoa, you're losing money. Cool. So you have $50 to invest.
Yes. And I don't know what to do with that money.
Well, it depends on what you are interested in. There is a global market, and in that market, you can trade or you can trade or invest in different different assets. Let's call them assets. So one group of assets is stocks. That's the one you probably know of. Stocks. You can trade stocks. You can buy Amazon stocks, Apple, Samsung, Microsoft, Netflix. So that's one category of asset you can invest in. You can also trade, let me just say buy and sell. You can also buy and sell currency pairs. So the currency pairs are two currencies traded against each other. So you're going to have maybe US dollar and Mexican peso. Have you ever seen these currencies before listed online?
No, I think I didn't understand what is that.
Oh, okay. If you know what, just Google USD MXN. Just Google it. USD.
Okay. USD.
MXN.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's showing you you know what? It's even easier if we use eToro. Just go to eToro.
It's like the equivalent.
It's like the exchange rate, basically. No, go to eToro. I'll show you. Yep. Click.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Now go to instruments.
Instruments.
It's on the left-hand side.
Instruments. Okay. You have to say that in Spanish because here is in Spanish.
Oh yeah. Now you see at the top there. I don't know what
Okay.
acciones is. What's acciones?
Acciones.
What does it mean?
Okay. I think is
Oh,
when you
stocks.
buy some.
That's stocks. Acciones is stocks. Okay, go back.
Okay.
So that's one category of things you can trade. The next one you see there is ETFs. Don't click on it, just leave it. ETFs are they're like a basket of stocks or a
Okay.
basket of a particular category of assets. For example, you can have all the stocks of companies that are technology companies. So you put all those technology companies, their stocks in one ETF. So that ETF will be technology ETF. You can
Okay.
also group all the shares of companies in Mexico together into one ETF. So with that ETF, you can trade the Mexican stock market. You get the idea.
Okay.
Next one is cryptomonedas.
Criptomonedas.
Oh, I got it right then. That's cryptocurrency. That's where you have Bitcoin,
Yes.
Ethereum, so you know all about that. The next one,
Yes.
indices.
Indices.
So that's an index. It's like ETF. It's the same idea as ETF, but this time around, it's not an ETF. It's like it's basically like an ETF, but an ETF is designed in such a way that you trade it as a stock.
Okay.
You get the idea. You take all these assets, you put them together in one basket, and then you trade it like a stock. Index is the same thing, but you don't trade it as a stock. You trade it as an index.
Okay.
Materias primas. My God, what is that?
Oh, I I can't explain that. I don't know how to explain that, but I can explain that for doing food, for example. When you are doing something or you are cooking something, the things that you're using that are
Okay.
materias primas.
Yeah, I think I know what it is. That should be commodities like corn, sugarcane, coffee, right?
Yes.
Wait, click on it so I can be sure. Just click on it. I'll know what it is when you click on it. Okay, this is commodities. So scroll down. Scroll down and you will see, can you see? You can see sugar, you can see cotton, you can see, keep going. You can see wheat,
Cocoa,
see cocoa, and what else is there? Yeah, that's it. So these are commodities. These are,
okay.
let's say, agricultural products. You are supposed to like this. This is
Yes,
your
you
area.
need to make something.
Yeah. This is
This what
your,
you need to make something.
yeah, well, yes. Raw materials, put it that way.
Yes.
So it's not just now within this commodities, you have different categories. So you have agricultural products like coffee, sugar, cotton. Then you also have metals. If you go up, you will see gold, silver,
Copper.
palladium, copper. Yeah. You also have
What is wet
wheat. That's what you use in
or
making
wheat?
flour, bread. What do you guys eat in Mexico?
Okay.
What's that thing you guys eat?
Bread.
That flat thing you eat?
I think
Tortillas. Yes?
no, because tortillas are made with corn.
Oh, okay. Not wheat then.
Bread.
Okay.
Bread.
Yeah,
I think
bread.
bread.
My goodness. I thought tortilla was wheat.
No, tortillas are made with corn.
All right. So you have agricultural products, you have
Mm.
metals, and then you have, I don't know how to categorize crude oil. Fuel. Is it fuel? You have crude
Co-
oil, you have
Cocoa.
natural. Cocoa is agricultural product. That's for making
Yeah.
chocolate and all of that.
Yes.
So I think I'll put natural gas and crude oil under fuel. That's the best I can think of. So these are commodities. All right, go back.
Okay.
Go back. So the next one is what I'm trying to explain to you. Divisas.
Oh, yes, the divisas are the equivalent to the money in
Exchange
different
rate.
countries.
Like what a peso is worth in dollars. Yes.
Yes.
This is what I was trying to explain to you. They are currencies. So
Okay.
click on the icon on the right hand side. See that icon? Go up. No. Move your cursor.
Here.
No. Go down and then up a little bit. Up a little
Up.
bit. Yes, click on
Where?
go back to the yes.
Here.
Yes, just go up a little bit. Don't drag. Move your cursor up. Yeah,
Here.
click there.
Okay. The 3 lines with points. You can say that.
Okay, now you can see all the currency pairs. So with this kind of asset, you are basically trading the exchange rate. You are trading the euro against the US dollar, the British pound against the US dollar, or the US dollar against the Mexican peso. If you scroll down, you'll see that Mexican peso is down. That's it.
Here.
Yep. That's it. And I think those are all. Oh, there's another category you don't have here. You can trade bonds. Bonds are used when companies or countries want to raise funds or when they want to borrow. They issue bonds.
Okay.
That category is not here. And I think that's all. Yeah, I cannot think.
That's all.
Yeah, I cannot think of any other category. So it's very important that you choose which one you're really interested in. The easiest will be stocks or acciones. Yes, to me, that's the easiest. So with this, you can trade stocks of different companies.
Okay.
So once you decide, okay, I want to trade stocks, you now need to decide which country's stock do I want to trade in? Do you want to trade stocks in the US market or stocks in the Mexican market or stocks in the EU? So that's another decision you need to make. What are you looking for?
Here, I'm looking for Amazon.
Amazon. Oh, you actually know the one you want. See, type Amazon in the
Here?
Square. Did I pronounce that correctly? Click on that. Yes, this is Amazon. Now click on Graphica.
But I don't think I can. Okay. Graphica.
Now click on the arrow on the right hand side.
Here?
Yes. There should be a way to. Okay, you know what? Go to seg on the left hand side. Click on
Left.
Segmento.
Seguimiento.
Yes. Okay. Now, can you see Amazon down there? Click
Oh,
on
yes, here.
Click on the graph of Amazon.
Here?
Yes. Yes. Now we're going to see the chart of Amazon. This is the price chart of Amazon. Why did you choose Amazon?
Okay. I haven't read about some companies, and I found that nowadays is one of the best companies to invest.
Amazon.
Yes.
Yeah, it looks good. See, the price Can you scroll in or zoom out rather? Just, yes. Can you see? That's the highest the price has ever been.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it's doing well. But if you want to invest in Amazon, one way to do that is to look at the price, like you're looking at it right now. Another way is for you to look at the financial statements of Amazon. That is, you look at their financial performance, you look at their profits, you look at their revenue, look at how much debt they have, you know, all that stuff.
No.
Well, if you have a business and you are spending money, let's say you have a restaurant and you spend a certain amount to pay your workers, to buy the food items that you're going to cook, to pay the electricity bills, to pay for gas and all your expenses. So all the money you're spending will be your expenses or your overhead. At the end of the financial year, after you pay your taxes, what is left is your profit. So if somebody wants to buy your restaurant, they will want to see all those details. They want to know, okay, how much money does it cost to run this restaurant, to operate the restaurant? How much does it cost to pay the workers? How much are you spending on bills? How much is your profit at the end of the day? So they want to know, okay, are you making 90% profit or 5% profit? Or at the end of the day, are you making no profit? So they want to know all of that. So they want to see your financial statement. So you want to invest in Amazon, you can also take a look at Amazon's financial statement. So if you go to Coifin, open a new tab and type, is it coifin.com? I think so. Yeah, Koy.
K-O-Y? K-O-Y?
Fin.
F
IN. Wow. Why did you type W as Y?
I
Y,
don't know.
Y is Y is before Z.
If you will say that in Spanish, I have
Koy. Do you know the letter before Z?
sometimes I forget that. Okay.
No, Koy.
K
Y.
O.
My goodness, this is Koy.
Wait me.
There's no other way to describe Y. X, Y, Z.
Yeah.
Yes. So Y is the letter in
Is
between.
it Y?
Yes, that's Y. So Koy, not AY.
K O
Yes.
O
Oh.
Y.
So change the E to I.
Co.
See? That's it. Coifin.
Mm,
Right. Click on Coifin. I hope it doesn't ask you to register. It looks like it's going to ask you to register. You know what? Let me share my screen and then I can go through it so you can see it.
okay.
Right. I am going to share my screen now. This is Coifin. Can you see this?
Okay.
Right. So you want to check Amazon's financial statements. You just click here, search for Amazon, AMZN. Click on that. And where should I go here? Click financial analysis. Right. Can you see? These are the financial statements: income statement, balance sheet, cash flow statement, valuation analysis, profitability, solvency. All those details are here. So you can see how much money Amazon made in 2018, 2019, how much they have made so far this year. You can check it annually. You can check it quarterly, depending on how you want to view the information. So you can check, you can see, this is in billions. Can you see that? That's billions of dollars.
That's billion?
Billion, yeah. Can you see the B?
Oh, the B. Yes. Yes.
So all the figures you're seeing here are in billions.
Okay.
So you can check their revenue, you can check their operating expenses and their income. You can check the amount of profit they're making. See, this is profit. Profit in the second quarter of 2018. Okay, we're in 2020 now. So this is the amount of profit they have made in the first quarter. So that's January, February, March. You can see how much they're spending on research and development. You can check interest and investment income, income tax. So you check all these things to know how well the business is doing.
Okay.
So you want to know if the business is healthy. Is it a business that is profitable? Is it a business you want to invest in? So this is fundamental analysis. Okay. And in some cases, you can compare two companies, check their financial statements. If the two companies are in a similar area of operation, maybe two companies that make cars, compare both of them to see, okay, which one do I want to invest in? Which one is more profitable? Which one has been experiencing increase in sales and revenue? So you check all these details, and you can view it in graphical form. If you don't like tables, let me show you. If I click here in estimates, revenue. So all that data I showed you, this is it in graphical form. You can see how it's increasing. So you do all that analysis. It's a lot of work. And then you make a decision. It's a lot of work. Not everybody likes doing this. Not everybody likes this. And then you compare it with other companies like maybe Microsoft, Google, which other companies there? Facebook. And then you decide on which one you want to invest in. So which one would you prefer to do? Check financial statements or check a price chart of Amazon and make your decision from what you see in both of them. There are two different styles. You can combine both. It's up to you. This is a price chart of Amazon. Amazon all-time high. It's currently $26.75. Very expensive. Very, very expensive. But look at that. Went public in 1998. So if you had invested in 1998, the price was $5. Can you see that?
Yes.
Yeah, price was $5 in 1998. So let's say you invested in 1998.
But if someone invested in 1998 and still having invest till now?
Yes, why not? The founder, Jeff Bezos, probably still has shares he bought in 1998. There's nothing stops you from holding your shares for as long as you want. That's an astronomical increase. Crazy percentage. See that? That's crazy.
Yes.
So, but the important thing is the way the price has increased. Very consistent and astronomical, parabolic. This is the monthly chart. So what this means is there is no bad time to invest in Amazon. Doesn't matter when you buy the stock. The trajectory of the price is upwards. It's always upwards. All right, let's go back to your screen.
Yes.
Let's go back to your screen. All right, share your screen. All right, let me stop this.
I'm not sharing it. Okay.
No, you need to click on share screen.
Yes.
So if you wanted to buy Amazon, you can see Amazon there.
Yes.
By the way, you can remove all these companies you're not interested in. You see all these companies? Go to the right-hand side, you'll see 3 vertical dots.
This?
No, click it again. Yes.
Oh, here?
3 vertical dots on the company on the right-hand side.
Oh, okay. This.
Yes, so you can click that.
Here is.
And Aleta.
Okay.
Oh,
here.
No, Elimina.
Eliminar.
Yeah.
But for Amazon.
No, the one you don't want.
Okay. That's what I say. Oh, I don't want it.
Yeah, so you can remove them. Do you know Tesla?
Yes.
You like Tesla?
Well, I don't know too much about Tesla, but I know it's a company that made cars.
Is it very common in Mexico? Oh, in Sinaloa?
Tesla? No.
Culiacan?
No. You're wrong.
I am asking, I'm not saying anything.
No. I have not seen a Tesla here.
Wow. So
So
what?
you're wrong. Here's not. Maybe in other, I don't know if in other city of Mexico, I don't know. But here, no. Here, people like a lot, loves the trucks.
Mm,
Like Cheyenne, like that kind of cars.
I don't even know what that car is. What did you call it? Cheyenne?
Cheyenne.
Is it
It's
made in Mexico?
it's from Ford.
Oh, I know
Trucks.
Ford F-150.
Um,
Well,
I don't know the models, but
mm-hmm,
here a model from Ford.
mm-hmm.
It's it's called or is named Cheyenne.
All right. Oh, that's a Spanish word.
I don't know. Maybe it's the model of that truck. There are others like Sierra.
Yes, I know
I don't
Sierra.
know.
I know Sierra.
Okay, they like or loves a lot that kind of cars.
Mm-hmm.
And here there are a lot of that kind of cars,
Okay.
but not Tesla. No.
Oh, are you the one who followed these people?
No. I don't
Marian,
remember.
you don't remember following them?
No.
Okay, you can remove them if you
I
want.
don't know why.
Yeah, you can remove them. Right. So, so now you have Amazon left on your watch
Yes.
list. So if you click C, I don't know what C stands for, but C should be buy. You can see
Here,
C and V. No, 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 go back.
CMB.
Yes.
Oh,
So one
C.
of
Okay.
one of them is buy, the other is sell.
C is for buy. Comprar.
Comprar. So you want to comprar Amazon.
Yes. To sell is V and is vender.
No, you don't want to vender. You want to comprar.
Yes.
So you, what is it saying?
um,
Nace a nuestra nueva oferta.
it's it's about the,
Yeah, okay, it's telling you
I don't know.
it's telling you trading in stocks has 0% commissions. Okay, that is, you don't have to pay commissions to trade in stocks. So, acepto el servicio de eToro.
Okay, here.
Yep, and the other one, acepto que mi información.
But
Scroll
I
down,
can't. I can't. Okay,
acepto.
I could. I agree.
And and saying ETFs will also require you to fill, I thought you filled this form previously, W8BEN form. Anyway, click continuar. Scroll down. Can you type there? Yes.
Oh my God.
You need to sign your name. Is that your signature?
Yes. Well, it's
Amazing.
too ugly, but I'm trying to
Yes.
do myself.
What is NVR?
Send.
All right, send it. Gracias. Finalizado.
Yes.
Now you're going to be a millionaire. Okay.
I don't know.
All right. So you have $50 to invest. What is it saying? El importe mínimo para Amazon es...
Yes, the less amount of money you need to invest in Amazon is 50.
And you have $50. Perfect.
Hey. Oh, I'm happy.
Right. So whenever you're ready, you can buy $50 worth of Amazon shares. But Amazon share is actually $2,677. So you are buying a fraction of an Amazon share.
Yes. No matter.
Yeah.
I want to know what happened.
Yeah, but if you go back to that chart of Amazon,
What chart?
the price chart of Amazon.
I close this. I have to
No,
close.
no,
Oh, I don't know.
it's on the other tab. See?
Oh,
The other eToro tab that you have open. Go up in the browser.
here.
Yes. So if you look at this, you'll notice that the price of Amazon is at the highest value it has ever been. So zoom out. Highest value ever. So what that means is you will need to decide if this is a good time to buy Amazon. Is it going
Okay.
to zoom out? I want to see something. Can you zoom out?
Okay, you're saying that. Well, I don't know if you're saying that, but I understand that it's better to invest when the price is low.
Yes, yes, yes. If you zoom out, I'll show you something. All right, let me, hold on. I am going to...
That is because if it's low, you can buy more.
For different reasons. Wait, let me share my screen. I'll show you what I'm trying to say. All right, this is a price chart of Amazon. Okay, so at this point in time, this was the 4th of September 2018. On that day, Amazon was at the highest price ever, and that price was $2,036. So imagine if that day was today. If that day was today, or let me do it this way, yeah. Let's say that day was today. You see where that candle is?
Yes.
Let's imagine that day was today, and you wanted to buy Amazon, and you bought it there. See what happens after. You see that? The price goes down over a period of, let me see, how many days is that? That's from September 5 till November 20. That's almost 3 months, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So you bought Amazon here, and for the next 3 months, the price went down. Actually, it's more than 3 months. It's all the way down here. 4 months. And then After 4 months, what happens? The price goes back to the same level.
Up.
Can you see? Same level where it was previously. And then it goes down again. And then it goes up, down, and up. So where do you think would have been the best point to buy Amazon here? When it was here. That's when it was at 1,300 in December 2018. But the question now is, on this day here, how will you know that the price will go down from 20,000 to 1,300? So it's not always very obvious. It's not easy to know. So
Yes, because for example, right now, I don't know if the price going to be increasing or if it's going to be down.
yes, you don't know. So what are you going to do?
I don't know.
So one thing you can do is you can study Amazon's financial statements, look at their income statements, their cash flow, revenue, profit. Is it increasing? Will it continue to increase? If the answer is yes, does it really matter when you buy? No, you want to buy because you think the company will continue to do well. Another way to decide is to look at this price chart and say, this price has been going up for a long time. Maybe it's time for it to calm down a little bit and then go back up. Because if you look at the chart, you'll notice that price doesn't go up in a straight line. It will go up, then it will go down. Then it goes up, then it goes down. Up, down, up, down. Can you see that?
Yes.
That's how price moves. It doesn't move in a straight line. So now it is on an uptrend. So maybe very soon it will have a downtrend and then you want to buy here. But who knows, maybe it will continue to go up. What do you think is going to happen?
I don't know, but
which one is more likely for Amazon right now?
maybe, I don't know, since the, oh no, it's difficult.
Yeah, it is difficult. You see, it is not easy. It is not easy. So you might have money, but it will be easy, it will be difficult to make a decision on what to do. Should I buy? Should I wait? What if you wait and it goes up? Oh, you missed an opportunity. What if you buy and it goes down? So,
But if it's someone that that can wait, for example, if I invest and I can wait some time to see the increasing price again, does matter this?
it doesn't really, because Amazon is a good company that is profitable and it's doing well financially. So it doesn't really matter with Amazon. But for some other companies, well, it depends on what you want as an investor. Let me show you another company. Which company should I show you? Mention a company in Mexico. Okay, BASF. Do you know this company?
Yes, but I don't think it's from Mexico.
Well, it's not from Mexico, but um, it operates in Mexico, right?
Yes, we have BASF here, but I don't remember if he's from Brazil or I don't remember.
What is that company you told me about?
Oh, yes, that changed the name.
Okay,
Oh, well, not only changed the name. Obviously, they sell. That was Bayer before. Bayer is
right.
from I don't know Germany, I think.
So BASF is now Bayer.
No, Bayer has to sell because
Sell
some
to,
rules.
okay.
You can have all. You being a company can't have all the
Monopoly.
yes.
All right.
So they have to sell one part of them and buy that part. And
Okay.
now is that is the change that occurred.
All right. Yeah. So BASF. Okay. Let's look at BASF. Um,
But company from Mexico, um, well, I know some companies,
yeah. Mention one.
but I don't know if they're too important or they have
You will be surprised.
maybe uh,
Carlos Slim's company. What's it called?
Telmex.
Telmex.
Telcel. He has with C.
What is with C?
Tel CEL.
Telcel. Nope.
He has a lot of companies.
Okay. It should be here. Maybe the spelling is wrong.
Oh well, Teléfonos de México. Teléfonos EFONO.
Bonus OS. Right. Look at this one. No, not enough details. Pemex. No Pemex.
Petróleos Mexicanos. Is Petróleos
Mm-hmm.
Petróleos y Mexicanos.
This is it. Oh, that's Brasileiro. Wow. So difficult to find Mexican companies. Unbelievable. I'll just type
Petróleos.
Mexico. Let me see. Banco Santander, Mexico.
Okay.
That's a Mexican company.
I'm not sure. I think I don't
Banco
remember.
Azteca.
Yes.
That's Mexican.
Yes.
Índice de Mexico. Banco
Oh,
Nacional.
yes. Yes. That Banamex, Banco Nacional de México.
Okay. Nope, not this one. Anyway, all I wanted to show you is I want to show you the stock of a company that doesn't look like Amazon's stock. You see that some stocks go up and down and up and down and up and down. So for those kinds of stocks, it matters where you buy them. unless you're buying them for dividends. A good example is, let me show you this. Wow, this can be real. This is AIG. But look, can you see this?
Yes.
I'm looking for another one. Mariel, just hold on. All the stocks I trade are always parabolic. They always look like Amazon's share price. So it's very difficult for me to find one that looks different. PAC. Let's look for this. Okay, I know the banks have terrible shapes. Look at this. This is Bank of America.
Okay.
Let's say the price was, let's say the date is, November 2006, okay? And you buy here. Can you see? That's the all-time high, $55.
Yes.
So November 2006, you bought Bank of America shares. Look at what happens. After that date, can you see? It goes down all the way from 55 to $3. Now, after it got down to $3, watch what it has done since then. It has struggled. So it struggled. It got to 19 at one point, went back down. Now, these are years, okay? So your money is stuck in that share that you bought. In some cases, you might get so frustrated you just sell the shares in a loss. So you can sell at a loss, or you might have to wait for 5, 8 years. And let's see where price is now. Price is currently at $25. Remember, you bought at 55. Okay, you bought here $55 in 2007. In 2020, the price is 25. So your money could be stuck for many years. Although you might get dividends, but dividend is when the company makes profit, they distribute some of those profits to the shareholders.
Okay.
So
Yes.
you still receive your dividend. They might decide to reduce the dividend, but the share you own or the stock you own is at a very reduced price. That's half the price, 55 to 25. Well, less than half. So that's terrible. I don't like that. See, this is a trajectory. From here, it went up, crashed, never got back up. This is why it is a little bit safe to invest in a company like Amazon, because it feels like, or it looks like, Amazon will always go up. It might have some brief periods where the price reduces or decreases by a huge amount, but after that, it goes back up. And of course, you know why. You buy lots of things from Amazon, don't you? Is it very common to buy,
What?
to shop on Amazon?
To what?
to buy things from Amazon.
Okay. For me, if it's common,
No, for Mexicans.
I think yes.
Yeah, it's the same. Every country. Well, not every country, but in the countries that
But a lot.
spend. The countries that matter. They shop on
Yeah,
Amazon.
and I think some time ago till now, it's increasing that.
Yes, because more and more people are shopping on Amazon. A lot of stores are closing down because people prefer to shop on Amazon, and Amazon is getting bigger and more popular, more profitable. So so you want to jump on that wave and ride it to the top. But if you want to invest now, Amazon is at the highest price it's ever been. So what's going to happen? Will it continue to go up, or will it go down and then go back up? So that's the question that needs to be answered.
Mhm.
But like you said, it doesn't really matter for Amazon. If you buy it here, it might go down, but it's going to go back up. So the best thing to do is, if you cannot wait, just go ahead and buy here. And then if price goes down, when it goes back up, you buy again. That's how to invest. So you buy now, but you don't buy with all your money that you have to invest. You wait to see what happens. If it goes down, then you buy again. If it goes up from here, let's say from here it goes up, you have bought here, and then it goes up. At some point it will come down, and then it will go back up, then you buy again. You see? And then it goes up, it comes back down, it goes back up, you buy again. That's called dollar cost averaging. So you're consistently adding more and more to your investment position. So over time, you will have invested a lot in Amazon, and the resultant direction is up.
Okay.
That's what you do.
I think I'm gonna wait a little to see what's happened.
Yeah, that's good.
Uh, and after what happened in some little time
How
after
long?
now,
How long?
uh, for example, the changes.
What are you looking at?
I'm looking about the time the changes um, are remarkable.
So right now the price is 26.75. So remember that price and keep checking this chart to see how Amazon is doing.
Yes.
Yeah, keep checking so you know when to buy. Because it might not go down by much. If you look here, you'll notice that from this bottom here, it went up, and instead of coming down here, it went sideways, and then it goes back up. And then here, it comes down by a small amount, and then it goes back up. So it's a very popular stock. Lots of people are interested in buying this stock. So when it goes down, it doesn't go down by much unless something really significant has taken place. And that's what you see here. Wait, this was the coronavirus. That's February to March 17. So something really serious happened, and it only went down by a small amount, and then it goes back up. So it's a very, very popular stock. Don't wait too long.
No, I'm gonna wait for a few time. I'm gonna continue checking.
Yep.
And I'm not gonna wait too much.
Yeah, so when you're ready to buy, okay, since you're in Mexico, the stock market is in New York. So that's like how many hours difference?
From here to New York, I don't know.
It's about 4 hours.
I don't have
Yeah,
any idea.
it's around 4 hours because the market will be open from, I think, 9:30 a.m. in New York till 4:30 p.m. You don't need to know. You can just check online. This website, tradinghours.com.
Okay.
If you come down here, New York Stock Exchange. Okay, yes. See? Trading hours. Nasdaq Stock Exchange. 9:30 to 6, no, to 4 p.m. So once the market is open, it will tell you open here. That's when you will be able to buy.
Yes, in the page of eToro says to close.
Yes. Okay, eToro will tell you to, yes. To tell you if it's open or closed. But it won't tell you when the market will close. It will just tell you whether it's open or closed. This website will tell you when the market will close.
Okay.
Yes, because sometimes you want to buy, but you're thinking, okay, I will buy when I get home. And then when you get home, you realize, oh, the market has closed. So you need to take note of that.
Another day.
Oh, yes. Yeah, sometimes it's annoying because maybe it's Friday and you're really excited to buy. And then it's okay, when I get home, I'll just buy. And then you get home and you say, oh, the market has closed. And then you have to wait till Monday.
Yes.
It can make you very
It's
anxious.
a long way. It's a long way when you
Are excited
want
to
to
buy.
do.
Yes, yes, it is. It is. So that's the summary,
Okay.
how you buy. There is more to analyzing the stock before making the decision. But Amazon is a good stock. It doesn't need much of an analysis. It's always a good buy. Amazon, Microsoft, they're always good. Let me check Microsoft. MSFT. Microsoft is a crazy one too. But Amazon is doing better than Microsoft. See, this is Microsoft. Amazon has gone far above its previous high. All right, I can stop sharing my screen now. So that is how you buy stocks on eToro. Very straightforward. It's not difficult.
It's not difficult, but when you don't know too much about that, it
Mm,
seems like it's very difficult.
yeah, yeah. So you start with stocks and then you can, I think with Bitcoin, you can buy for as low as $20. I think so. I'm not so sure. The smallest I have, Well, the smallest amount I have bought in Bitcoin recently is $50. But I think you can go as low as $20. I'm not so sure anymore. I'm not so sure.
Okay, but I can check that.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you can even check it now. I think it will tell you. You just put $20 and see what it tells you. To tell you if you can buy for as low as $20. Let me see. Bitcoin, $20. Oh, the minimum amount is $25.
$25.
Yes,
Okay.
$25. So if you have $50, you can only
I
buy.
have to make a decision if wait for Amazon because the minimum in Amazon is 50 or if choose another.
Oh, for all the stocks, it's going to be 50. Yeah, so
Okay.
just buy your Amazon. Don't think too much about the others. Just buy Amazon. Amazon is good.
Okay. Well, that's what I have in mind. So
Right? That's good. Now you are an expert in stock trading.
well, thanks to you, I know more about that.
You are very welcome.